Dukot. Let's watch this.
Dino is Dino Pastor.
Dino!
Dad always sing us a song intention during Christmas. Sabi ni Dad, yun ang sabi niya.
Bakit nga pala di ba umalis kagabi?
Kahit na hindi masaya si Dad sa akin. Because I never lived up to his expectations.
Dad, they took everything. They were gonna take me, but then I asked them to take him instead.
Nasa amin ang anak mo. Magkano ang pera niyo sa bangko?
10 million? Wala sa usapan natin ng kita.
Galing ang pera.
Parang hindi naman matatakas eh. Wala kayong paghatiyan natin dito. Ay, saan ang pera ko?
Handa na natin kung gano'ng importante ang buhay mo sa tatay mo.
Akala ko, kahit ano, okay lang gawin basta para sa pamilya.
Kung ayaw mo siya masaktan, kung gusto mo siya mabuhay, bayaan mo kami.
Hello, Dukot. July 13 na po ng cinemas nationwide. Wow. Suspense drama ang genre ng pelikula ha. Medyo kakaiba for a Paul Soriano. Type. Hi, Dino! Ayan.
Dino Pastrano in the house.
Makatino naman parang close kami. Ano. Hi, Dino. Can you greet everyone, please?
Hello everyone, and sorry I'm late.
Alright! Ayan po, halos kompleto na. Kasama rin pala yung napakahusay na si Ricky Dabaw, ano? Sa isang trailer. Okay, the first question siyempre will come from RD, Tita Ethel. Can we turn the mic, Tita Ethel's? Can we turn Tita Ethel's mic on?
Ang first question is from Direct. Si Direct po, sa akin, usually refer to yung small pickpocket. But based on the trailer, parang iba ito. Can you elaborate?
Yeah, actually, Dukot or captured, taken. Parang yan ang title ng film because the film is about kidnapping, small-time crimes, small-time robberies. And it's also based on a true story, a true kidnapping that happened 6-7 years ago. And because of all my research, I found this particular kidnapping to be quite cinematic, just like a movie already. So we developed the screenplay together with my screenwriter, Froilan Medina, who I've worked with Kung Kulapu and Telma. He also wrote my last movie. We developed Dukot for about 2 years. We were writing the script, and up to this day, I can't really say my research because those are all classified and confidential kidnapping cases. We're not allowed to say the names. Pero they allowed me to use the story. So yeah, Dukot was the title we came up with because the character that Enrique Hill plays here, Carlos Sandoval, was taken. Dinukot siya.
Tita, ano gusto mong malaman? Tanongin natin role nila isa-isa. Ano medyo...
Sige nga, pwede mo.
Okay, let's start with Miss Bing. Miss Bing, your character, your role, please tell us.
I play the mother, the victim.
Oh.
These two beautiful kids. What can I say? What can I say? No. Ang hirap mag-relate, no? Kasi never pa naman ako naka-experience na ito. So it was really exciting to do the character because, at saka mahirap kasi ang hirap to...
Emotion requirement yata, actually going through the role of
mahirap siya.
Medyo mahirap talaga. Okay, thank you, Miss Bing. Alex, your role.
Yes, I play Jim Bo. Ako yung napakabait ni Jim Bo. Kapatid ko dito si Ping, strangely. Pero pangalan ni Ping dito is Alex. And we do this kasi we are driven to, the extent ng yung crimes kasi kailangan namin dahil lumaki kami sa hirap, hindi kami well, and we lost our father na maaga, and yun, basically just driven to do this because kailangan namin.
Kanino dikit ang character mo, Alex, sa cast? Kanino?
Kay Shotgun dyan, kay Tito Boy. And si Dino, and it's very girly. And there was Ping, so...
Okay. Thank you, Lex. And of course, thanks.
Ako po dito si Girly. Parang go with the flow type of girl. Na girlfriend niya, Alex.
Okay.
So, actually walang walang backstory. Palang mag-iba ko dito. Hindi, walang backstory yung ko.
Pero?
Yung character ko. Pero kasi, I'll do anything for Alex. So sinusuportahan ko siya. Yung tanong niya kasi ka-close ko yung family niya.